Well, Ron, that was it. That was the test drive. Everything went well. Everything feels good. There's some few things to tweak and adjust, and I think you may have like a classic vacuum leak, which is very common on a car sitting like this for a long time. Easy to fix. I have a whole stack of gaskets for that. But yeah, everything looks good. No funny smells. No burning smells. Well, you get a little bit in the beginning because the stuff that was on the exhaust burns off. There's the battery in there, everything up front. And it drove well, it brakes well. I'm going to adjust the braking pedals a little bit so it engages a little earlier. You can see what tires I'm on. I'd like to get the alignment done at a shop. The guys at a shop could do a lot better job than me. Quicker, probably cheaper, especially because you're going to want to center the steering wheel, which is way off right now. And those guys they got the machines that could just dial it in. It's about $80 or $90. Otherwise, I mean, that's it. Here's the walk around. It's going to need some TLC. Depends how pretty you want to make it. I really like the matte gray look. Set off against black, that would be really neat. But, you know, depends on what you like. The interior will need a lot of work, but it'll be good enough for now to just drive around in. Get some seat covers, and it'll take care of 90% of what seems out. And make it comfortable enough. So yeah, that was it. Let me know what you think. We'll see you.